Alright, I just wanted to do a quick video on some things about fuel pumps and hangers and the wiring on the hangers. So, this is a stock hanger I have here. It was the factory one that came in my 86, and I ran it fine. It ran fine with the stock pump. And then I rebuilt the engine and did a DW300 fuel pump upgrade because I thought I needed it, and I really didn't. That's a way overkill pump for what I need. So, in the short time that I had that, I managed to burn out 2 bulkhead containers, or bulkhead connectors on the stock wiring harness, as you can see right here. Basically, the DW300s are an amp heavy, or an amp hungry fuel pump. So, yeah, they just like to pull a lot of amperage, and on these stock hangers, or even a quote-unquote a new one, such as with this one, the wiring harnesses they're just skimpy and they don't handle the power well. Steve V's Automotive pointed out that this is a cheapy wiring harness, as he pointed out of the skimpy looking plastic coated wiring. Here's the DW300 that I had in my car, and it runs great. I just do not need that much fuel right now. And yes, some people say you can run this and get your low fuel pressure of 38 line on. I was not able to get it below 42, so just something to keep in mind. Right now on the 86, I just have a stock not a stock, a DW200, so a 255 liter per hour pump that is good for well into the 10s, or something like 600 horsepower. So that's all that I'm gonna need anytime in the near future. So just a couple things to look for, and if you're considering doing a fuel pump upgrade to a DW300 or something in that range, I would recommend the Racetronics wiring kit. You can get the bulkhead, the fuel pump power, and the harness to connect it to the factory harness, or your hot wire if you have that. I would also, this is something to look out for also. As you can see, this is a 4-pin, but there's only 2 wires. So some hangers, they have, from what I understand, they have 2, and as you can see, there's still 3 wires here. But there are only, it's externally grounded. And as you can see with this one, there's 3. Your gas gauge float right here is the blue, and then your negative and power. And this one is internally ground through the tank, I'm guessing. So yeah, just a couple things to note when you're looking at these and looking for a new pump, or just doing some service. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll get back to you soon.